Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a tall glam wedding centerpiece. And so what you'll need is one of these clear bowls from Dollar Tree, which I will be spray painting on the inside with this silver spray paint. You're going to need 3 of these glass candle holders. You'll need a styrofoam ball. I picked this up at Michael's and cut it in half. You can use the whole thing or you can use half. You'll need some hot glue. If you want to make this project permanent, please use E6000. You're going to need a candle holder plate from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some of these peel and stick gemstones. I picked mine up at Walmart. You can find them on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I have got some loose glam or diamond gemstones here. I may or may not be using them. And then I have some of this glam ribbon that I picked up at Michael's. I have got white roses and hydrangeas, both from Dollar Tree. And so these are the items that we'll need in order to get the centerpiece completed. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now how beautiful is this centerpiece for a wedding? Just gorgeous and so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around with it and decorating. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Another simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you'll give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs, please be sure to share this video with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.